Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to customize a folder name on Spotify web version. For these settings you have to open a Chrome browser or any browser on your desktop. After opening your browser, then you can see here search option, click to search and search Spotify. After searching Spotify, you can see here a website open.spotify.com. Click to Spotify web player. Then you can see here your folder. Then click the right button of your mouse and click to rename option. Then you can see here rename. Then write the name if you want. And write the name which name you want to add on your folder. I write a folder name and see guys the folder and click to save. After clicking save, the folder name has been changed. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.